The ARDMS has given us new maintenance of certification requirement that started at the beginning of 2026. It is a knowledge confirmation quiz for each specialty that we specialize in. The specialties that currently are requiring us to take these quizzes are underlined in yellow. It is 10 questions per specialty per quarter, totaling 40 questions per specialty. You do not need to complete the 10 questions by the end of each quarter, as long as you complete all 40 questions for your specialty by the end of the year and pass with at least 80% each, and you're good. The quarterly dates are just pacing reminders for us. So where do we go to take these quizzes? Just go to the ARDMS website and log in. Once you're logged in, you'll see the blue tabs on the top. Click the one that says Maintain Credential, and then click Skills Platform. Click on the button that says Answer Questions, and your first question will pop up. Choose the correct answer and click Submit. Once you are done with all 10 questions, it will show you your score and progress. If you want to review your quiz, you can click on the Review button on the left-hand side. Some key points to remember are: make sure to do skills quizzes for all your specialties, so a total of 40 questions per specialty. All questions are due last day of the year. It's an annual requirement. Quarterly dates shown in skills are pacing reminders, not deadlines.